you've ever wanted a private yacht experience without paying private yacht prices, the MSC Divina Yacht Club might be the smartest upgrade at sea. This is not just a nicer cabin. It's a ship within a ship, with private spaces, personal service, and perks that completely change how cruising feels. Think of the Yacht Club like flying first class while still having access to the entire airport. You get a private area on the ship, exclusive lounges, dining and pool, a 24-hour butler and concierge, priority access everywhere. You can enjoy all the fun of the main ship, then retreat to a quiet, luxury space whenever you want. Big cruise ships can feel crowded. The Yacht Club gives you privacy without losing options. The Yacht Club suites are larger, quieter, and better designed than standard cabins. Typical features include marble bathrooms, premium bedding, spacious closets, sitting areas, balconies on many suites. Real-life comparison. Regular cabins feel like hotel rooms. Yacht Club suites feel like upscale hotel suites with ocean views. Yacht Club guests have access to a private restaurant reserved only for them. You can still eat anywhere on the ship, but knowing you always have a quiet, upscale option is a huge win. Meals become relaxing instead of stressful. The Yacht Club has its own private pool, whirlpools, and sun deck. No chair-saving games. No loud crowds, no waiting. Example: while the main pool deck is packed on sea days, Yacht Club guests are already relaxing with a drink in hand. Every Yacht Club guest gets a 24-hour butler. They can unpack your luggage, bring food to your suite, reserve shows and dining handle special requests. The concierge handles shore excursion planning, priority disembarkation, schedule coordination. Yacht Club guests skip lines almost everywhere. Priority check-in, priority boarding, priority tenders at ports, priority disembarkation. Instead of standing in lines, you're already exploring the port or relaxing on board. The Yacht Club costs more, but not as much as luxury cruise lines. It's worth it if you want peace and privacy, you hate crowds, you value service and comfort, you're celebrating something special. It may not be worth it if you're rarely in your cabin, you prefer constant activity and noise, you're cruising on a tight budget. The MSC Divina Yacht Club gives you the best of both worlds, luxury and freedom. You get a private, upscale experience while still enjoying everything a large cruise ship offers. If cruising first class at sea sounds appealing, this upgrade deserves serious consideration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed the trip. See you on the next adventure.